Good morning, boys and girls, moms and dads. This is 4th grade, session 8. Happy All Saints Day. We're looking at the feelings and the agony in the garden. This is when Jesus was preparing for his passion, suffering, and death. You can read from the Gospel of Matthew about the agony in the garden and the Gospel of Luke about the agony in the garden, and then answer these questions about it. So summarizing and then answering these questions about what happened. Looking at the experience of feelings and being human, the role of feelings in our lives, answering those questions. Okay, and then this last step, draw a picture that shows how the Bible verse below, the one right here, relates to feelings. You can label the different parts of your drawing if you want, but how does this verse from James, "For the one who doubts is like a wave of the sea that is driven and tossed about by the wind." Draw a picture of that, how that relates to feelings. Okay, and then lastly, there's a well-formed or ill-formed conscience. Now, there's a correct saying that we should always follow our conscience. However, it's also our responsibility to make sure our conscience is well-formed. What does that mean? That means that we train our conscience to do the right thing, to have the right sense. If we follow our conscience, but we have taught our conscience incorrectly, then we can be doing things that are wrong without even realizing it. Things that can hurt us without even realizing it. Okay? So it says, come up with a scenario. You can do a different one if you want to, but I put down something. A friend offers for you to come to a slumber party on Saturday. He or she stays up so late and says that you can sleep all morning on Sunday, missing Mass. He or she says you can pray at home instead. Okay? So if you have a well-formed conscience, what would you do? And with an ill-formed conscience, with some incorrect information, maybe like that friend up there, what would you do? Okay? God bless you and have a beautiful week. Let me know if you have any questions.